So just another quick daily update on Soon then. On our daily time frame, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, as we can see here, we've had a very nice recovery actually, quite a lot of a massive sell-off from some whales. Obviously we saw that really crazy fluctuation back here. Take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see someone sold a massive bag of Soon in this area here. Got a really nice recovery back up, and then a few more big sells on this chart here. This is the MEXC chart, as you can see, the main exchange for Soon. You can see these huge big wicks to the downside. A whale, I think, selling some of their bags, but as we can see, we're still stuck in our downtrend, but looking like we're getting a decent recovery in this area at the 038 Fibonacci. We saw one of the founders, the Soon guy on Twitter, I think he's one of the founders, or at the very least a big team member of Soon, personally buying a massive amount of Soon, I think around 20k on Soon Day yesterday. As we know, they do Sundays, Soon Days, where people all come together and buy some Soon in solidarity for the project. And as you can see, we are looking like we might be holding this area, or at least at the very least coming back into this previous area of structure here, the range that we were in before. Seeing if we can get back into this area here and finally break this downtrend. You can see we've been stuck in a downtrend for a long time. I think this is really starting to coil up lovely, to be fair. If you look how far we actually descended, 85% from that swing high to that swing low, and we're currently down still around 75%, really looking like it's getting primed for a spring to the upside, in my opinion. You can see quite clearly here we have been in this very significant downtrend. We had this range that we were in, obviously broke down, back tested, got some liquidation from massive whales, and then looks like we had a nice buy back up over the weekend. And really Soon for me here, I mean, it's looking like a really good play for me, just in terms of this chart. This chart looks absolutely fantastic. We've also got that fabled 50% retracement before the continuation after a huge pump, which is usually a really good sign as well. You can see here, if I, for example, put the we've got a measuring tool here, obviously went up around 45x from that low to that swing high. And then you can see on my tool here, that perfect 50% retracement here, where people have been buying in bulk at this level. This usually happens on a lot of cryptocurrencies. They massively pump up, people wait for that 50% retrace, they buy in, and then it goes up another 100, 200, 300% for the next swing high. I really do feel like this is really starting to gear up now. If we can hold anywhere in this area here above that 023 Fibonacci, and then going into the bull market, the gaming market, it's going to be absolutely insane. I think these entries are god tier now, and I'm personally going to be taking a real close look at this over the next few weeks.